Good morning to all. We are in chapter 15 Geometrical Figures. Now today's question is draw an angle of 90 degree with the help of compass and scale. So today we have to draw 90 degree. So for that first we have to draw a line segment AB of any measure. Then we have to write step also here. Steps. First, draw a line segment of any measure AB. Then we have to take point A. Taking point A of an small radius, draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle which cuts a line AB at point P. Now this semicircle cuts AB at point P. Now we have point P. Now without changing the radius, taking P as center and the same radius, draw an arc which cuts at point Q. Then taking Q as center and same radius, draw an arc which cuts at point R. Right step here. Taking A as center and a small radius, draw a semicircle which cuts AB at point P. Now taking P as center and same radius, draw two arcs which cuts semicircle at point Q and R respectively. It means first we have to cut point Q, then R. Now with the same radius, taking Q as center, draw an arc upside, and taking R as center, draw one more arc which cuts the previous arc at point S. Both arcs cut each other at point S. Now join AS to C. Now angle CAB is 90 degree. Now we have to check by our protractor that our 90 is made correctly or not. Now see here, this is a 90 degree. Right step here. Taking Q and R as center and same radius. No need to change the radius from starting to end. Only you have to take a one small radius. Taking Q and R as center and same radius, draw two arcs which cuts at point S. Now join AS to extend up to C. Thus angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. Now the next question is, draw an angle of 45 degree with the help of scale and compass. So here we have to draw 45 degree. So again we have to draw first 90 angle. To draw a line segment with any measure, name here AB, then taking AS center of a small radius, draw an arc or draw a semicircle. Then which cut AB at point P. Now taking PS center, draw an arc which cut at point R and then S. Now from R and S we have to draw two arcs which cut Q and R, which cut at point S. One arc, and this is the second arc which cut at point S. Now join AS. This is your 90 degree. Now we have to make 45 degree. So when we are joining AS, then this AS cut the semicircle at point T. This point is what? T. Now taking radius PT, PT, we have to measure PT and draw an arc here. Taking PS center and draw an arc this side, and taking TS center and draw an arc this side, which cut at point U. Now join AU up till to C. Now this angle is your 45 degree. This small angle is your 45 degree. Now we have to measure by protractor. So this is your 45 degree. Now write step here. Draw a line segment AB of any measure. Then draw angle SAB equal to 90 degree. Then AS cuts a semicircle at point T. Now taking P and T as center and radius equal to length of PT, draw two arcs which cuts each other at point U. Now join AU to extend up to C. Thus angle CAB is equal to 45 degree.